Moritz Cornelius Escher, also known as M C Escher, was a mathematician as well as a printmaker. M C Escher created fantastic and confusing images. He focused many of his artworks on unusual or conflicting points of view, making prints that seemed realistic until you take a closer look. In Escher's tessellations, he played with a theory called the regular division of a plane, which basically means he would use interlocking and pattern-like shapes and forms to fill up the paper without leaving anything blank. For our mini project, we're going to need to first make a pattern. On a Post-it note, draw a line that touches only two sides, and then cut that out. Now watch the trick. I want to slide the shapes around. I'm going to take the top and slide it to the bottom and connect it. Let's watch that again. This is going to create my interlocking pattern. There are two options for this. You can trace this pattern onto a piece of paper and color it in using markers, crayons, or colored pencils. This is option number 1. Make sure when you trace your pattern that you interlock the design so that it makes the tessellation shape. For option number 2, you're going to use the same pattern, but you're going to need some colored paper. Trace your design as many times as you can and cut them out by stacking them up so that you have multiples and you're not taking all day to cut them out. Start connecting them like a puzzle. Because you might be using scrap papers, maybe your designs aren't completely filled, so you have to figure out how to piece them together. Make sure those puzzle pieces still look like a tessellation when you're finished. I outlined mine just so they would stand out a little bit. Tessellations with M C Escher.